Guys, pretty big bass. All right, let's see how much he weighs. It's a 3-pounder. Let's release him. Swims off nice. Oh my God, he was a great bass. All right, guys, my phone's good and my storage should be good. Oh, we got a bite. Oh, it's another crappie. Like that. That was cool, that was cool. As you see the pond here and then literally nothing behind us. It was truly a great pond. I'll be back here eventually. Black crappie on the NOVN. That's insane, guys. That is going through a forest to fish. I hope you guys loved it.